Imagine having to sniff your way through the world because even though you have eyeballs, they're just home to worm-like parasites. Well, if you were a Greenland shark, you wouldn't have to imagine this because they're actually partially blind thanks to the copepods that dangle repulsively from their corneas. Lucky for them, where they like to live, there's very little light penetration, so vision isn't their primary sense. They tend to hang out in waters that are about 2,000 meters deep and very cold, between -1 degree to 10 degrees Celsius. And because food is so rare in these deep, dark parts of our oceans, Greenland sharks aren't fussy eaters. They're happy to feast on a live, fresh halibut or even a dead polar bear carcass. The crazy thing about these cool, blind, copepod-friendly eyes is that scientists can use them to age Greenland sharks. And using this technique, they've been able to figure out that there are Greenland sharks that can be anywhere between 250 years old, all the way to maybe even 400 years old. That means there are Greenland sharks in our oceans today that have been around since before your great-great-great-great-great-great-grandparents were around. Greenland sharks are called sleeper sharks because they move so slowly. So slow, in fact, that they only move about 1 kilometer in 1 hour. How far can you get in 1 hour? Not only do they move slowly, but they also grow really slowly. They grow about 1 centimeter in a year. That's as much as your fingernails will grow in just 4 months. Moving slowly and growing slowly are actually important strategies for animals that live in these deep, dark places that have little food because it helps them to actually conserve their energy. That said, Greenland sharks can grow to about 4 meters in 150 years, making them some of the largest predatory sharks in our oceans. In fact, they even rival the better-known great white sharks in size. These animals are weird and cool, but still, what's so amazing about them is that they're so elusive.